Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your birth date in the Tiplino application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the personal data section, click on the birth date button. And at the bottom of the page on the right, you can click on the calendar and then just set your birth date, and once you set it, just click on the save button and then the done button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.